The next replacement is going to be replacing regular screws on a frame that does not have a spring hinge. Okay, this frame does not have a spring hinge. We are going to be using these regular screws that don't have that are not self-aligning screws, because we don't need those. Okay, so the first thing that we're going to start doing is we're going to be removing the existing screws on the frame. I'm going to be using the edge of the table here, and I'm going to be unscrewing. Okay, one is out. Now I'm going to be doing the other side. So the same thing. Just gonna unscrew the existing screw. So that one fell, but it's off. Okay. Now both temple sides are off. Now I'm gonna be getting the new screws to replace them, and okay, I'll start like this. Again, I'm gonna be using the edge of the table for support and to avoid any accidents. I don't want to slide and hurt myself with the screwdriver. Okay. I'm going to align so all the holes are together. Then I'm going to get my regular screw and put it. Then I'm going to get my flathead screwdriver using the edge of the table. I am going to screw it in. One side is in. It is sticking out, but that's okay. I will cut that with the clippers when I'm done with both sides. So we're going to do the same thing on this side too, using the edge of the table, putting on the regular screw, and using the flathead screwdriver, just screwing it in. Okay. So this side is a little hard. I'm going to put a little bit more pressure. Okay, it's good. Now it's all the way in. on both sides. So it is sticking out. I am going to be using my clippers in order to remove the excess. Okay. I'm going to get it as close as I can to the frame. Let's see. As close as I can. And I will cover and I will squeeze. Okay. Squeeze, but it didn't want to come off. Okay. Again. So I will cover. So it doesn't want to come out. I'm going to move it. Okay, yeah. So when I moved it a little bit, it snapped off. Now I'm going to do the other side. I'm going to try to do what I did on the other side, which was squeeze it, squeeze, and move. Okay, it's almost off. Okay, it's off. Okay, so on this side, it's good. Nothing's sticking out. On this side. On the other side, it is sticking. On this side, it is sticking out, and it's a little sharp. On this other side, there's no sharpness. On this side, there is a little bit of sharpness. What I'm gonna use the filer to file out a little bit and remove some of the sharpness. That way, the patient, doesn't get their hair on the way or it doesn't hurt themselves. I'm going one-way motion. That's better. Now it's not as sharp anymore, and we have replaced both of the screws on a regular, not spring hinge frame.